Hi guys, in this video we will create a basic hello world example in the easiest way so that you can use that application as a template for your projects. There are lots of different ways to do that, of course, but we are going to use the easiest way that I think. Let's get started. We are going to use Spring Initializr. That is the tool that automatically creates the base project for us with selected language, version and dependencies. So let's visit their website. Start.spring.io. So let's visit the Spring Initializr. Here we are going to choose Maven or Gradle project to create one. In our case, we will choose Maven project. After that, there are three options for language. They are Java, Kotlin, and Groovy. I'm choosing Java here, and also the Spring Boot version. I'm choosing the latest stable version, which is 2.2.5 when I'm recording that video. And after that, we can choose the project metadata. Here, under the options section, you can set specific details for your project. In our case, such as the packaging like jar or war file, and also the Java version of your project. For here, com.example.spring, let's say, and artifact as demo, and I'm going to leave them as a default, like packaging jar and Java version 8. Finally, let's add dependencies. In this section, you can add dependencies for your project. In our case, we are going to add only Spring Web. This will add necessary dependencies for your project. And for our Hello World application, that will be enough. After all, let's click the button under this page, which is Generate button. If you click the button, you will see that .zip file will be downloaded to your computer. Unzip that file and import that to your favorite IDE. In our case, it will be Eclipse. So let's import the Maven project from here, Maven, existing Maven project, and let's say next. So root directory, we need to browse, and that will be at the download files and the latest one, which is demo here. So we need to open that, and that will see our POM file and will be import that project. So this will detect the Maven project that we just created. After creating, Maven will work for us to download dependencies and everything, and that may take some time. Please wait until Maven does the job for you. After everything is ready, choose your project. In our case, here, demo application.java, right click and run as Java application. If everything is ready, your Java application will be started. If you see that Spring logo and also if you can read that started demo application, then everything is ready. Your first Spring Boot project is working. Since Spring Boot has a built-in server, which is Tomcat, you don't need to set up a new server. You just need to run, and that's all. Spring Boot will start Tomcat for you. Now you can visit localhost and port 8080. So here you can see that white label error page. That's okay. You don't need to worry about it because we haven't done any coding yet. So let's complete our example by showing some basic text. Let's create a new package, which is the controller. Right click, new package. The name will be controller. And after that, we need to create a new class name, which is Hello World Controller. That will be our controller class. So here we are going to write some basic coding here. Here we are going to use the REST controller annotation so that that class will be our REST controller, and we need to write our first method here. Public string print hello world. With this method, we can see some basic text. So that will return greetings from Spring Boot. That method will show us a basic string, which is greetings from Spring Boot. But to reach that method, we need to use another annotation, which is request mapping. And I want to reach that method with just slash, and we need to import that request mapping annotation, and that's all. Basically, our application is ready actually. So let's rerun our project. So from here, demo application, right click, run as Java application, and we are waiting our project to run, and we are going to test our application. So yes, you can see that our application has started. Let's visit localhost again, and with just slash. And tada! Greetings from Spring Boot. Our first Spring Boot application is up and running. We have tested it and everything is fine. So you can move on from that point and use that application as a starting point. If you want to download the source code, I'm going to add the GitHub repository at the comment below. But of course you can follow this video and choose all the specifications and generate your template. That's all for now. I hope that video will help you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave me a comment. Thank you for your time and happy coding!